Hi everyone, I'm at the Stampers Anonymous booth and just trying to wrap up Creativation and also show you everything as well. It's so hard to get everything done, but I just wanted to show you some of the Tim Holtz stamps and just so you see them in the stencils. There's some really cool stamp and stencils. Some of them are hand drawn, like the ones down here that he did, and it's just so beautiful to see. Some of them come apart, and I just want to show you like the beautiful stamps from the different designers because it makes a difference. And I'm very tired already, so it's the last day, like the last hour, so I'm literally like so exhausted that I'm not showing that much. I just love the decor here, so I just wanted to show you everything. So this is a panel if you want to pause this video and just see them. They're very, very cool. I love these with the X. I'm going to also show you some of the ones from Dina Wakley. I thought they were amazing. I really like her new stamps. And first a picture of all her samples. And how cool is that? So these are some of them. And some more all the way to the bottom. Some of them are the older ones, but you can see them as well. Then there is the stamps from Dilutions from Dyan Reaveley, which I've already shown you some of them in her live. I just wanted to show you them anyways because they're so beautiful. Some of the older ones as well. So that's nice to see. And this is the Wendy Vecchi stamps, which I really like as well. For those people that love making cards, of course, these are amazing. And there's some stamp backgrounds there as well. Here, her samples are always so perfect, and look how beautiful her sample are. So she's Studio 490 Wendy Vecchi. And let me see the other side. Oh, there's more Wendy Vecchi ones, so I just want to show you the other ones. And her beautiful stamps and samples because they look so nice. So I hope you enjoyed my little small tour of the Stampers Anonymous booth.